Hey guys, it's Adam, the Minnesota Trucker, coming at you with another video. I hope everyone had a good day. Caught up to the snowstorm rolling east to Minnesota, so we're parked here in Belle Fourche. Doesn't look like much, but a little bit south and east of us, it's really bad. So we're gonna wait it out until morning. Couple announcements. I might have found an editor to help me with my intro, and to help me just start editing videos or teach me how to do it so I can provide better content for you guys. Now I do have a gaming console, so I'm looking at getting a really good computer to do some farming simulator on a computer to post onto this channel. Is that something you guys would be interested? Let me know in the comments below. But I also have an Xbox. So if anybody has an Xbox in here and wants to link up someday, my Xbox gamer tag is capital H, capital L, number 4, capital U, Hitman 4512. So anybody that wants to link up on Xbox One, let me know. I ain't got a whole lot to say today. It's been an exhausting day. I've been up since 4 a.m. this morning, and it is currently 11:40 p.m. I gotta be up at 4:30 tomorrow to see if this weather's cleared out to get rolling again. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wait it out, I guess. So, we got some wood tonight. 48,575 pounds of wood. Get your heads out of the gutters. So, what's the weather doing with everybody? Where everybody's at today? Just kind of curious. Anybody see the Star of Bethlehem? I didn't, because I've been in under cloudy skies all day. So I bought me a Starlight. A fellow YouTuber goes by the name of Life Behind the Wheels. He's a 18-wheeler also, or truck driver. And he's got one of those Starlights that plugs into the USB port on the, I think it's in his radio. And it kind of gives you a star vibe on the ceiling of the truck, like you're driving, what is it? Oh, it'll come to me here in a little bit. But anyway, I lost my train of thought. So yeah, I got that going. I might have somebody lined up to help me with my intro, so I can start making better content, something that you guys might actually enjoy watching. So, and those of you guys that do watch all my videos from beginning to end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you. It's not like I'm trying to bore you guys to death. I just, until I get a couple of GoPros, well, I want to get one. I'm off Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so I'm going to try to get to a store and get 1 or 2 bought, and then bring my laptop with me. That way you guys can have a passenger seat view like you're in the truck with me going down the road. And then, I don't know, I might mount one on my mirror bracket there. That way if I get some nice iron rolling by me, I can get some clips of that as well. So I want to go with GoPros, but if anybody's got a suggestion for a better camera, I'm open to suggestions. I am. So, but yeah, just a short little video tonight. If anybody would be interested in seeing Farming Simulator, I have it for Xbox One. I don't know how to record videos with Xbox One and then get it over to my laptop and then post it on the internet. So if I get a gaming computer and get Farming Simulator 19, would anybody that also has that like to link up with me and do some real action roleplay? I think that'd be fun. I watch The Squad on YouTube all the time. He, real name Grant, he posts some pretty neat content. So does Spencer, and Buck also does. they all play together. They do live action role play on Farming Simulator 19, which I don't know. I like their content. They post some pretty cool stuff. If you guys haven't checked them out, go over and check out the Squad, Spencer, and Buck. They got some good content. And actually, Grant just bought a farm. And Grant, if you watch my video, I wish you the best. Hopefully your farming adventures work out. I know it's always exciting when you buy land for the first time. So, happy for you, bud. But that's about it. Nothing exciting on my dash cam today, and I've got to pick up a couple SD cards for that as well, so then I can save the footage. So when I see stupid stuff happen and I get it on dash cam, I can send it over to Dashcam TV. He's a new channel. He's from Canada. You guys should go check him out too. Matheson, you gonna turn your lights on or no? I better let him know real quick, or he's gonna be... Hey Matheson, turn your lights on so you don't get pulled over or hit. Well, apparently he don't have his radio on. Well, like I said, hope everyone had a good day. With the road conditions tomorrow and stuff, I don't know if I'm going to post anything tomorrow. I might wait and try to post something on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Alright, well, this was kind of a vlog, I guess. I don't know what else to say. Just other than that, I hope everyone has a good night. Keep her between the ditches and keep the sunny side up. I'm out. Good night.